Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth with chicken feet. First, ensure your chicken feet are meticulously cleaned. This means scrubbing them well to remove any dirt or debris. Next, you'll want to trim off the nails and any tough, yellow skin for a cleaner broth. Finally, blanch the feet in boiling water for about 10 minutes. This step helps remove more impurities and prepares them for simmering. After blanching, transfer the feet to a large pot. Add your favorite aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Pour in about 1 gallon of fresh water, ensuring the feet are fully submerged. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar can help extract more nutrients. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and let it cook for at least 4 to 6 hours or even longer for a richer broth. Once your broth has simmered to perfection, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all solids. This will leave you with a clear, golden liquid. It's crucial to let the broth cool completely before transferring it to storage containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it in smaller portions for several months of delicious, homemade goodness. Chicken foot broth is incredibly beneficial, packed with collagen and essential nutrients that support joint health and skin elasticity. It's a fantastic base for hearty soups, stews, or even as a warm, nourishing drink on its own. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, nutrient-dense broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.